Hello, welcome. Join me as I use maybe maximum of 3 methods to arrive at the mark price from this question. WASSCE January February 2025 edition. A woman paid $4,142 for a set of furniture. If a discount of 5% was allowed, we have to find the mark price. Now we can pick this first as formula work or percentage approach or using the word problem approach. Let's see. Let me start with the easiest one, which will be the percentage approach. In here, the amount paid, which is the cash price, right? So the cash price is, I want to write Ghana cedi, it is dollar, right? $4,142. This cash price is equivalent to the percentage. In what percentage of money did she pay? Because 5% has been taken from the 100%, and that will be equivalent to 95%. This is what we have if we know the discount. Okay, let me just say discount of 5%. Now, if this is here and this is here, then I am looking for the original price, which is 100%. So I only say that if 95% is giving me 4,000 this amount, then the actual price, which is 100%, in the comparison, as we are comparing percentage, then dollar as in money and money. So if this is giving you 4,142 and 100 will give you more than that. So if more, less among the two divide. So I'll be having 100 over 95 times 4142. Let's put that in our calculator and see what we can get. And if you punch that well, you should be having 4,360 dollars. That is if I want to follow the approach of percentage. Now, alternatively, we can also pick it in the formula approach, as in knowing that mark price equals to 100 over 100 minus X, or in percentage times what? The cash price. That is the formula if we want to quote the formula. And that will give you 100 over, this is 100 minus 5 times 4,142. You can see it here, 100 over 95 times that. So we are just going to have our 4,360. That is it, right? All right. Let's see if we can go for the third method. So what we can do here is to let the value we are looking for to be a variable. So let's say we let y be if y is the mark price, then to find the cash price, the value that we are going to have is, we are going to have a subtraction of the discount value. What is a discount value? Not in terms of percentage. The discount is going to be, the discount will now become 5%, which is 5 over 100 of this amount. So this is a discount in terms of money. If I know what the y is in terms of money, I'll be able to find 5% of that to give me the discount. Then we also know what the cash price is. The cash price is the mark price minus the discount. So we know cash price equals to mark price, which is y, minus the discount. So now the cash price equals y minus, remember, 5 will go into itself 1 into 100 20 times. this cash price has been given in the question as 4,142. So let's substitute that and see without the symbol. So I have 4,142 equals to. If I want to resolve this, I can also make this as 20 over 20. 20 over 20 is 1 as the coefficient. So I'll be having 20 minus 1. That will be 19. So 19 over 20y. 19y over 20 is the same thing. So now what do? We just need to cross multiply by the fraction we have here, and we can find the y. So right here we can have 20 multiplying 4142 equals to 19y. But we are looking for the y, so we divide by 19. So y equals to 20, 4142 divided by 19. If you check that on your calculator, you should be having 4,360. So you can see we can pass through 3 different approach to arrive at the answer. Let me know in the comment section which of the 3 methods resonate with you or is easy for you to easily grab. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.